Good morning, children. Now, today we will do this Total English 11. Uh, we are doing page 12 now. You have two things which you have not done before. One is report writing and one is proposal. So, you must study the examples that are given in the beginning of this book, in the introduction, and also study the first specimen paper, that is model paper, which is worked out. So here we will do page 12. Your classmate has written a book of short stories which has won an award for being the best book by a new author. Write a review of the book for your school again. Review is details about the book, character sketch, then the plot. Plot is the story, then any message which the book has, the style, what did you find interesting, attractive, what practical lessons did you learn from the book. So something about the book. I read Becoming. It is a book by Michelle Obama. So you can take the points from that. Now the next one here is a write a review of the book which you have read recently. Then you have film review. A film review is a popular way for critics to assess a film's overall quality. Assess is to judge the quality, the standard, the excellence, the weaknesses in the film or the advantages of the film, the quality of the film, and recommend it to the audience so that the audience will be interested and will see the film. A good film review has the following elements. A brief introduction giving some basic information on the film. It gives the name of the film, director, screenwriter, and major actors. Plot summary in brief, avoiding specific details so as not to spoil the viewing for those who are yet to watch the film. You must not reveal everything. You must present the film review in such a way that the audience will want to go and see the film, either at home or in the theatre. Now you have model film review here. Name of the movie, cast and its director, brief outline of the plot, performance by the lead characters, setting, music, shortcomings. Shortcomings, drawbacks, weaknesses, message of the film. On top also you have main characters, technical aspects, message of the film if any, then overall impression. Describing what is the outstanding quality of that film. How is it different from other films? Here you have Village Rock Stars. The cast is Vanita Das, Vishnu Kalita, Balaram Das, Manabendra Das, Prasanta Das and Rinku Das. Director is Reema Das. Village Rock Stars, directed by Reema Das, is a tale of hope and resilience. Resilience means strength, the courage to overcome all difficulties. The story is set in a remote village in Assam and it revolves around Dunu, the Vanita Das, a young girl who loves to climb trees, go fishing with the boys and flaunt her thermocol guitar. It is not a real guitar, it is a homemade guitar, it is made out of thermocol. When she isn't helping her widowed mother with her daily work at home. She wishes to own a real guitar someday and works towards it by collecting money that earns by climbing trees and fetching fruits and betel leaves for the village folk. Her fate, however, does not allow her to dream big. She had big dreams, but it did not work out for her. She loses her goat, Munnu. Munnu, a potential barter for a real guitar. Barter is exchange. Potential, it was costly enough, it was expensive enough to buy her a new guitar if she sold it. To make matters worse, flood destroyed the paddy fields that her mother, a single parent, had cultivated tirelessly. And if that was not enough, she hits puberty, which turns into the compulsory induction into womanhood that requires feeding the entire village among various other local rituals and customs. That is, she had to spend a lot of money when she attained puberty, and they had to spend a lot of money on the rituals, on the ceremonies. These events take place only after she gives up the idea of buying a guitar. by forfeiting all her wealth to her mother. Vanita Das, who acts as Dunu, brings unadulterated innocence, pure innocence, and abundance. In fact, Dunu and her mother, played by Vanita Das and Basanti Das respectively, appear so natural that one would wonder if they really knew that they were being filmed. Natural. That is in real life. It was very realistic. It appeared real. Lush green marshland. Now the setting acts as a perfect setting to the story that draws the battle lines between nature and nurture. Nurture is education, nourishment, progress. Equally fascinating are the sound effects by Malika Das. She has skillfully captured the ambient sounds of every ripple and every pitter-patter of nature. The only shortcoming of the film is Reema Das's attempt to make one character live her journey through the other, leading her otherwise brilliant film to end up in a confused state. Village Rockstars is a story of a single mother's resolution to give her daughter the best she can give. She stands by Dunu and fights a society who forces her daughter to behave like a girl. Now, girls were not supposed to do many things, which she was doing. She stands by Dunu and fights a society who coerces her mother to behave like a girl. It is a heartbreaking movie, very touching, that shows the dilemmas of poverty, problems of poverty. But at the same time, it has an inspirational tale of courage. We can learn there is bravery, there is courage of the mother and the daughter. You have assignments, then you turn over the page. Specimen for proposal writing. Specimen for proposal writing. Proposal writing literally means a plan or suggestion. Proposal means plan or suggestion, especially a formal or written one, put forward for consideration by others. Proposals, however, are of different types based on their content. Some of these include the following. Business proposal is a written offer from a seller to a prospective buyer. Grants proposal is a means for requesting an organization for funds for accomplishing a particular project. Then you have research, a proposal written by a research scholar giving details about the topic to be researched and the reasons for doing so. It is submitted to an organization, college or university for seeking permission to do research work. Project-based proposal is a proposal in which a project or event is to be organized. Project-based example is a proposal in which a project or event is to be organized. In the ISC exam, the students are required to write a proposal for implementing a project. Putting into practice, starting an organization, an event, and seeking its approval from a person of authority, like the head of the institute, usually the principal of the school. It must include a heading, objectives, reasons, and a list of measures to explain the specifics, what you intend. When you put forward this proposal, what is your intention in doing so, and to explain the specifics and the method of what is to be done to complete the project. Thus, such a proposal suggests how to carry out a given project in a stipulated time schedule. The Council has prescribed the following format for proposal writing. Specimen for proposal writing. Then you have the outline. As a member of the Student Council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a skill development center to help underprivileged children to learn some vocational skills. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully set up this particular center. Skill development for people who are underprivileged, people who are poor, people who don't have the means to develop some profession. Specimen answer. Proposal for setting up a skill development center. Then you have the heading or introduction. That is the same as the question. To set up a skill development center to help underprivileged children to learn some vocational skills. Vocational skills, something which they can do in later life, some profession they can take up. so that they can earn a living. You have 2 sentences, 2 marks. Then you have the objectives. The Skill Development Center would provide training to the underprivileged children in vocational skills. People who are not in a situation to be sent to college, education or other institutions to study their profession, like carpentry, computers, repairing mobile phones, tailoring, and arrange on the job experience for the students trained in the center. So the center also will provide jobs for them, would help them to get jobs. Minimum 2 points, 2 marks. List of measures. Providing halls to set up the training center. What are the things you need for establishing this skill development center? That is the measures. Providing halls to set up the training center, appointing teachers to train the students, arranging tools and equipment used for training, funds to be raised from an NGO, and 2 industrial houses as part of this corporate social responsibility program. So there you have 4 marks, minimum 4 points, 4 measures. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the Skill Development Center is established at the earliest. Linguistic ability is the skill in writing English. That is 2 marks. Then you have total 10 marks. Important note, it is suggested that while writing a proposal, the students provide an apt title, heading, introduction of about 2 sentences, minimum of 2 objectives. What is your object? What is the reason why you want to put up this center? And a list of measures of a minimum of 4 points. The proposal should be concluded with an appropriate sentence. 2 marks will be awarded for linguistic ability, your style in writing, how well you write English. Then you can turn over to page 20. You have report writing. In the newspapers, you have many reports about accidents, fire and all these things. So question 2, write a report in not more than 300 words on the fire inferno in Delhi's illegal manufacturing unit. Inferno, that is the terrible destruction, the confusion, the tragedy that killed 43 people. Use the hints given below. Date and place of tragedy, number of dead and injured, cause of the fire and death of 43 people, rescue operations, statement of a local residents, Prime Minister's statement and ex gratia payment, that is money given to the relations of those who were killed in the accident. Heading you have 43 killed in Delhi inferno. Date and place of tragedy. A massive fire, a very huge fire, swept through a 4-story building housing illegal manufacturing units in a residential complex. By law, they are not allowed to have this unit there. That is why it is illegal, not according to the law. And it is a residential area where people are living. And Mandi at 5 a.m. on December 2019. This was the second deadline fire tragedy after the Uphark cinema accident that had claimed 59 innocent lives on June 13, 1997. Number of dead and injured. This fire took a toll of 43 lives and left many others injured. Almost all the people who died were migrant laborers from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, from other parts of the country. Cause of the fire and death of the people. A preliminary probe suggested that short circuit triggered the blaze. Something wrong with the electricity, said Atul Garg, the chief of the fire officer of Delhi Fire Service. They were sleeping inside the factory when the fire broke out. As the poisonous smoke started to envelop the second floor of the building that had no fire safety. Again, all institutions, especially public institutions, are supposed to have fire safety measures, and was packed with combustible material like cardboards. Easily, things which easily get burnt, combustible. Workers desperately searched for an exit gate. They were not able to come out. Since there was no ventilation ducts or windows, laborers could not escape and died due to asphyxia, that is choking. The smoke and the smoke from the fire killed them, choked them to death. Rescue operations. Nearly 150 fire personnel carried out rescue operations and pulled out 63 people despite narrow lanes and smoke-filled building. The building was on fire, there was a lot of smoke, but rescue operations took place. The injured were taken to the Loknayak Jayaprakash Hindu Rao Ram Mohar Lohia, name of the hospital, and Lady Harding Hospital. The unit owner did not have the mandatory no objection certificate from the fire department, and the congested area made rescue operations difficult. Statement of a local resident. Arjun Kapoor, 65, a resident of the area, said that on the ground floor of the building, school bags were manufactured, while on the second floor, toys were made, and on the third, binding work of diaries and notebooks were done, and the fourth floor was used for keeping stock. Prime Minister's statement and ex gratia payment. The fire in Delhi's Anman Janrani Jhansi Road is extremely horrific, a very terrible incident. My thoughts are with those who lost their loved ones. Wishing the injured a quick recovery, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in a tweet. He also announced an ex gratia payment of rupees 2 lakhs each for the next of kin of those who lost their lives in the fire. Then you have another proposal there. As president of the literature club of your school, you have been given the responsibility of organizing a literary fest, something like a festival, in your school. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully organize this fest. Again, festival answer. Heading is there. Proposal for organizing a literary fest. Heading, introduction. To organize a literary fest, to foster a love of literature, to encourage in students a love of literature and writing among the students, and provide a platform to the budding writers. Provide a platform for the budding writers means give an opportunity for those who are skilled, for those who have the ability to do some creative writing, to showcase their talent, to reveal, to bring out, to display their talent. Objectives. The literary fest would enable the students to exchange views on literature, books and ideas with renowned authors, poets and theatre artists. It would help the students in developing a critical appreciation of literary work and improve their style of writing. So the aim of this project is to improve the literary skills of the students. Writing, then understanding power, memory power, vocabulary, all these things. So, list of measures. Sending invitations to renowned authors, poets and theatre artists. Making arrangements for book reading sessions by authors of popular books. Reading. Cultivate an interest in reading properly, reading well. Arranging exhibitions of books by different publishers so that children will buy books and read the books. Organizing various contests like storytelling, poetry, recitation, declamation, creative writing. All these we usually have for competitions. Organizing plays by renowned English dramatists. Then the conclusion, we hope that proposal will be accepted at the earliest so that we can plan ahead for organizing this literary fest. So you read up this and study how it is done, and you must be able to write it. So with that, we will close today's lesson.